Hi, I'm Josephine from MVP Realty, but today we are going to talk about a quick recipe. It's a little dessert I'm putting together. My son had asked me, Mom, oh my gosh, I wish I could have an iris. It's a fried dessert that we ate in southern Italy, in Sicily. And we're not going to make the dessert from scratch, but this is a really quick way of arriving to the same results, I think, but in like just a few minutes, really. So you're gonna purchase some buns, some soft buns. They can be these happen to be potato rolls, but you can use Hawaiian rolls or brioche. And then you're gonna just slit a little pocket inside and scoop out some of the dough. Next, you're gonna take a filling, whatever you prefer. I happen to have some ricotta with little chocolate chips, sweetened with some sugar. Of course, you can use Nutella. That's always a good choice. So we're gonna make one here with ricotta. We're gonna fill it nice and filled here because you wanna have a nice bite when you know, we're gonna try to close it up. I'll try to take some of this dough here and just try to patch it up once again. Just like that, super easy. And close it nice and tight. And then we're just gonna dip it in an egg wash. Super easy. And then some plain breadcrumbs. Please don't use the seasoned breadcrumbs. Yeah, no, that's not good. So plain breadcrumbs. So you take it there, and I have some hot oil in a fryer. You can fry it in a little frying pan. Just make sure you watch it because it can burn easily. So that's pretty much it. And here it goes, just a few minutes until it's nice and golden brown. Just let it sit and soak, and yeah, just maybe turn it because you want to get it nice and brown, but you don't want it to really burn or anything, and that will burn if you're not careful. And that's pretty much it. We'll wait for that to fry. In the meantime, I'm just going to show you where we are quarantined. This is my lanai. We're in Southwest Florida. Yeah, if you're going to be quarantined, this is not bad. It's not bad at all. I mean, we get to stay out here. It's quiet. It's warm weather. I mean, today we're like, I don't know, 90. I do wish I had a pool. Yeah, if you're purchasing and you're purchasing in Florida, remember to get a pool, because we weren't thinking about that. We weren't thinking about being quarantined, but yeah, now that we are, I wish I had a pool. That's a must. And that's it. Yeah, so that's it. Just nice and golden brown. I'm gonna use this here. And there you go. There you go. We're gonna put some sugar, because that's how it's usually made, with some, now I'm gonna show you what it looks like inside. It's still a little hot, but oh my gosh, when you bite in, it's delicious. So you have this soft ricotta, and the chocolate chips are like slightly melted, and that's it. That is the iris.